So how many times do we talk about batteries for Aprilia Generation 1s? Be it a Tuono, be it a Capanord, a Futura, a Falco, an RSV, or a big fat juicy V twin in general. And I think the bikes came out with a 180, 190 CC8. Well, my battery has just started failing very gradually, and that's the battery that I had on the bike. And as you can see, it's a 240 CCA battery, and when I took it out, I checked the date on it, and I'd had it for 16 years. So it's done really well, and I've just replaced it with a brand new one off the internet for about £100. And I hear you say, well, why spend £100 on an old gel absorbed glass mat when I can get one of these super duper lightweight? Because this is heavy. I can get a lightweight lithium super duper duper one that weighs nothing. But then I read about these super duper duper lightweight ones, and you have to warm them up when it's cold by hitting the starter motor. Well, surely that goes against the whole thing with a big V-twin and playing with the starter motor, damaging the Sprag clutch, and it's going to cost a small fortune. So yeah, I've gone back to my old battery, and I just thought I would do a test. I've had it on charge now for a day, and well, let's see what the results are. So that's the standard voltage. So we go enter, we go battery test, out of vehicle. It's an absorbed glass mat. I believe in the UK we use the SA system to check it, to test it. It's a 240 SAE. There you go, you can see it's a 240. This is a brand new battery, and like I say, the last one lasted 16 years, and it's still starting the bike, it was just starting to fail. So let's do the test. So there's the voltage, so there's the rated CCA, and there's the measured CCA. So that's a bit dubious, isn't it? Or is that normal? I have no idea, but it looks bloody good. And state of health, state of charge, I'm not sure what RES is, but it's saying it's a good battery and everything else. But I just wanted to share it with you because so many people put the smaller ones on, they last 2 years, and they're buying another one, and you know, this battery really turns these bikes over like a Japanese bike I should say, not a Jap bike. Get told off for that. Anyway, a Japanese bike with, you know, with some meaty starter leads, earths and positives. They're fantastic. So I just thought I'd want to share it with you. That's what I use on my V-twins, and I've got quite a few. I've never done a Sprag clutch on my own, and I'd never have starting issues. So just wanted to share that with you. So that's what I've replaced it with, like for like. It does fit on. It's a tad tall, and the battery clip just goes, but it does fit. It is heavy, but it all starts with that battery, and so that's an important thing on these bikes. And in my humble opinion, it's the best battery that you can fit on these bikes for ease of starting, and hopefully you won't be doing a Sprag clutch. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.